The Virtual University, Pakistan's first university based completely on modern information and communication technologies, was established in 2002 by the government as a public sector institution with a clear mission to provide extremely affordable, world-class education to aspiring students all over the country and abroad. VU delivers education through a judicious combination of broadcast television and the internet. VU courses are handcrafted in meticulous detail by acknowledged experts of the field. Being the pioneer in the ICT-based education of the country, Virtual University cherishes a legacy of exceptional success and unprecedented achievements that has made it unique in many ways. Virtual University is the only institution capable of providing all the required expertise, experienced human resource, and technical infrastructure. For almost 2 decades, Virtual University Television Network has produced more than 10,000 hours of excellent audio-video contents using complete in-house production, post-production, and broadcast facilities, making it the leading educational television network of the country. The techniques used in topic authoring provide information developers with a way to create distinct modules of information. Each topic contains enough content for someone to begin and complete a task, grasp a basic concept, or look up critical reference information. With an ever-changing pedagogy and education delivery, Virtual University is fully equipped to take on challenges and offer solutions to problems that Pakistan faces in providing quality education and trainings to its human resource. Please visit our website for keeping abreast with the latest. Virtual education and trainings is the future. Thank you for watching. Pakistan Zindabad.